Meet the Nexgrill Evolution Infrared Plus 5-burner gas grill. With a reliable battery-powered electronic ignition, you just turn on the gas, turn the knobs, press the button, and let the grilling begin. 5 independently controlled stainless steel burners each offer 9,000 BTUs of flame roasting energy for quick, convenient, controlled heat. While angled flame tamers deflect heat, prevent flare-ups, and convert drippings to smoky flavor. Nexgrill's Evolution Infrared Plus technology gives you the flexibility of cooking with various combinations of direct heat and infrared heat, while the built-in thermometer enables precise temperature regulation. Removable stainless steel heat plates and firebox dividers provide complete control. 468 square inches of primary cooking area allows you to bake, broil, sear, or smoke with ease. And an upper-level warming rack is perfect to warm or cook additional food. On the sides, 420 square inches of total shelf space is perfect for food prep or serving. When you're ready to simmer, sauté, or boil, just raise the flat surface lid of the 12,000 BTU stainless steel side burner and enjoy. And when it's time to clean up, a convenient front pull-out grease cup keeps things simple. Finally, a smooth motion four-caster system makes moving your grill a breeze, and a fully enclosed double-door cart keeps your propane tank safely tucked away. Plus, the deluxe dual-energy control valves easily convert from liquid propane to natural gas. We got your next grill right here. The Nexgrill Evolution Infrared Plus 5-burner gas grill.